The story of the Lion King.
The Lion King is a beloved animated film produced by Disney that has touched the hearts of audiences around the world. It tells the story of Simba, a young lion prince who faces challenges, learns important life lessons, and ultimately finds his place as king of the Pride Lands. The story combines adventure, humor, and profound themes such as responsibility, courage, and the circle of life. The story begins in the Pride Lands, a vast savanna where animals live in harmony. Mufasa, the wise and noble Lion King, rules the pride with fairness and strength. He has a young son, Simba, who is curious, playful, and eager to learn about his future role as king. Mufasa teaches Simba about the great circle of life, a belief that all creatures are interconnected and each has a part to play. Simba idolizes his father and dreams of becoming king one day. However, Scar, Mufasa's brother, is jealous and resentful because he believes he should be king. Scar is cunning and manipulative, and he plots to take the throne for himself. One day, Scar tricks Simba into exploring a dangerous part of the Pride Lands. There, a wildebeest stampede occurs, and Simba is in danger. Mufasa arrives just in time to rescue his son. But Scar's plan goes awry. Scar causes Mufasa to fall to his death during the chaos, and he then convinces Simba that he is responsible for his father's death. Grief-stricken and overwhelmed, Simba runs away from the Pride Lands. In exile, Simba meets Timon and Pumbaa, a meerkat and a warthog, who teach him to live without worries and embrace a carefree lifestyle. Simba grows up in the jungle, forgetting his past and his responsibilities. However, Nala, a childhood friend, finds him and urges him to return home, as Scar's rule has led to chaos and suffering in the Pride Lands. Reluctantly, Simba decides to go back and reclaim his rightful place as king. With the help of his friends, including Rafiki the wise mandrill, Simba confronts Scar. During the final battle, Simba learns the truth about his father's death and Scar's treachery. In a fierce fight, Scar is defeated, and Simba takes his place as the new king. The film ends with the Pride Lands restored to their former glory. Simba and Nala have a cub, symbolizing the continuation of the circle of life. The story emphasizes themes such as bravery, responsibility, and the importance of facing one's past to move forward. The Lion King teaches valuable lessons about leadership, courage, and family. It shows that everyone faces hardships, but resilience and honesty can lead to growth. The story reminds us that we are all part of a larger community and that our actions affect others. Ultimately, it celebrates life cycles and the enduring nature of love and hope. The end.